guys, it's me again, Jessa A, Soliva, and for today, we are going to make a tutorial about solving stoichiometry. Now, let's begin. In this video, we are going to learn about solving one-step stoichiometry problems. Let's begin with nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to produce NH3, which is called ammonia. This reaction is known as the Haber process, which is primarily used to make fertilizer. All we know that fertilizer helps crops grow and becomes part of our food. In fact, more than half of the nitrogen in our body probably comes from this reaction. So, it's pretty important. As it's written, this reaction is not balanced. The N2 plus H2 equals NH3 is not balanced. There are two nitrogens on the left plus one on the right. So we put a 2 in front of ammonia. We're going to put 2 here to balance the nitrogens. So 2 and 2. This gives us 6 hydrogens already because 3 times 2 is equal to 6 on the right side, but only 2 here. So we're going to put a 3 in front of hydrogen. Now the reaction is called balance. This is all balance. So what it actually telling us? The balanced chemical equation tells us that one nitrogen molecule reacts with 3 hydrogen. This balance tells us that 2 nitrogen molecules react with 3 hydrogen to make 2 ammonia molecules. Let's try a sample problem. How many moles of nitrogen do you need to make 10 moles of ammonia? First, we are going to write down the quantity that we know. 10 moles of ammonia Next, multiply this reaction or ratio of nitrogen, ammonia in the balanced reaction. Since we are starting the problem with ammonia, we put 2 in H3. We're going to put the 2 in H3 on the bottom. This 2 in H3 comes directly into the balance equation, which is our reaction, which is here. Because we are solving for nitrogen, we put 1 and 2 at the top. This 1 and 2 also comes from the balance reaction. This 1 and 2 also comes from the balance reaction. Remember, if no number is written in front of a chemical, that means the coefficient is 1. Last of all, do the fraction multiplication. 10 times 1/2 is equal to 5. As for the units, notice that the ammonia we started with will cancel out. We're going to cancel this one because they have the same units. So therefore, the left out unit is N2. Then 10 times 1/2 is equal to 5 and the left unit is N2. So the final answer is 5 mole of N2. Therefore, There are 5 moles of N2 that we need to make 10 moles of ammonia. So, that's all. The question about how many moles of N2 do you need to make 10 moles of NH3 answers 5 mole of N2. So, that could be the answer.